If you spend time in the garden or doing yard work, having a place to sit and kneel is very helpful. The company sent me this garden kneeler to test out, and I love that this gives both options. So this is portable and foldable. If you flip it to this side, it is great for kneeling on. It has this really nice cushion that you can put on, and you can just kneel on here if you are planting seeds, spreading out dirt, pulling weeds. And then when you go to get up, especially if you've been kneeling a long time, it's great to have some extra support. These handles are really sturdy and very helpful. Then when you're ready to work on a little bit higher places or you need a little break, just flip it over and you have a place to sit. Again, you can put this cushion on, and this does strap down. I just don't have it strapped so I could show you both sides. But this is super nice. Again, you have sturdy handles when you're sitting as well. This set comes with a bag that goes right over the side. So you can put tools, maybe a water bottle, seed packets in there. You get a pair of gloves, and then also this bag that you can carry around things as well that you need. Instead of having to constantly get up and go find them, you have your tools and seed packets all ready to go. So this is a really nice set. I love how portable it is. It folds up super nice so that you can store it easily. And this saves my knees, especially on my property where we have so many pokey and scratchy plants. This really saves my knees from getting poked and scratched up.